Okay, taking a look at this 48 Chevy 3100. Truck is a 5-window truck, deluxe cab, TMI seat, new gauges, tilt wheel. I have carpet insulation, some other items to get the interior finished up, new wheels and tires. Truck is on an S10 frame. Really cool old paint, gives it a real nice patina look. All new glass on it. Let's see here, fire it up. It does have a rebuilt 5.3 LS motor. 4L60 trans rebuilt. Nice truck, sounds good, runs and drives good. Take it just like it is. Tinker with it, make it your own. Take it to the next level. Like I said, I've got some interior pieces to finish that out, but